In this video, you will discover how to delete a specific quote in just a few easy steps. There are two ways to do this: delete directly in the quotes list or delete in the quote details page. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Quotes section. First, I'll demonstrate how to delete a quote directly within the list of quotes. Click the Delete button, which is the trash icon. This will take you to a confirmation box. You can cancel your decision by clicking the Cancel option. To confirm deletion, click the OK button. Please note that after deleting a quote, you need to wait about 1 minute for the system to completely delete it. Let's verify that the quote has been deleted. Success. Now, I'll delete a quote by accessing its designated details page. Click on the quote ID that you wish to delete. This will lead you to the quote details page. Locate the More button and click Delete Quote to initiate the deletion process. Congratulations. We've successfully deleted a specific quote in 2 distinct ways, each requiring only a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.